Modern witchy women can find so much support in their kitchens. It is the place to make magic in your everyday life, to support yourself on your magical journey, to empower yourself to feel strong and confident as you move through day-to-day decisions that might feel really challenging or like you're not really sure what to do. You can remember your power, go to your kitchen. It is your modern day apothecary, your modern day still room where you are whipping up potions to support you in whatever it is you're doing. I'm Sara, founder of The Sisters Enchanted, where we help women who feel like they're at a crossroads at life embrace their witchy curiosity and create more intention, more passion, more power, more intuition, more magic in their lives. And your kitchen is the secret ingredient to being a modern witch. Now, your kitchen, it might not be like the practical magic kitchen from the famous Sandra Bullock, Nicole Kidman movie. Don't lie to me and tell me that you don't wish you had a house just like that, because, you know, somewhere deep within us, we all wish we lived there. But we can still create magic in our very own kitchens, no matter their size, their space, what they look like. It's the ingredients that count. And your pantry is full of herbs and spices that will 10x whatever your intention, your goal, your thoughts, the energy you want to put out into the world, whatever that is. You've got herbs and spices that can help support you in that. Cinnamon. Who doesn't have cinnamon around? Unless you're allergic to it, I guess. But most people have some cinnamon in the house. Abundance, right there. Fire, abundance. Pepper, more fire. Pepper can also be used as a protection element. Salt, protection. Purity, cleansing. You can use basil as an abundance element. Garlic is a powerful, like if you have garlic salt or garlic powder, that's a powerful protector. It's also a cleanser and a healer. The different herbs that you have in your kitchen can be used in your cooking to imbue all the foods you're about to eat with magical properties and your intentions for them. You can also look at the foods that you are consuming and consider your body to be sacred space. So if you created sacred space to honor an ancestor, you know, you'd probably set it up so it's beautiful, you'd clean it up, you'd tidy it up. Well, if your body is sacred space, what are you energizing it with? What are you offering to it? Like, what is the offering to yourself through the food that you consume? And when you start to think about your kitchen in this way and your body in this way, that is when you are really stepping into the power that a witch holds. That's reclaiming your power over your energy, over your life, over your future, over yourself. And that's the essence of witchery, right? Is that reclamation of power. We've talked about this in other videos. But your kitchen really is this beautiful place to begin with a modern witchery practice. The tools that you use, from maybe a great grandmother's spoon or spatula or pan or something like that, to a wooden spoon that you have maybe wood carved an intention into, or your name into, or wood burned, excuse me, or just like, I don't know, maybe wrap some ribbon around the handle of it. You can use your tools as magical tools as well to help kind of, you know, conduct the energy from you into the thing that you are working on in your kitchen. I also love to have a little sacred space on my kitchen counter, a tiny kitchen altar, if you will, where I keep things like the salt, like the pepper, but I'll also put an oracle card or a tarot card that represents the energy of where I'm going, or what it is that I'm working on in my life right now, or what I want to connect to or remember or keep top of mind as I'm in the kitchen doing those workings, so that I don't fall back on just like daily nonsense where, you know, I'm trying to get it done, feed people who don't want what I'm cooking, want to argue with me about what's for dinner, and focus my intentions on what I'm doing and really connect and create experiences that feel powerful, feel like magic in my kitchen. So if you are a modern witchy woman, if you feel like you're at a crossroads, if you are trying to fit magic into your life, your kitchen is really your place to start with that. You honor your mind, your body, your spirit when you're in your kitchen through the food you're preparing and you're consuming, and your herbs and spices and your tools, and the food itself is all there to support you and can come together as this beautiful magical experience that connects you to where it is that you are going, or whatever it is that you are honoring in this season of life. All right, we've got some videos in our channel, or on our channel rather, about things like herbs and altars. So give that a search on our channel so you can pull them up. And of course, head to the description to see what we're up to right now at the Sisters Enchanted. And I want to know in the comments, what is your favorite herb or spice or food to work with in the kitchen when it comes to magical properties? I actually love to work with apples, surprisingly, but I love to work with an apple and like carve a little intention into it with just a little knife before I eat it. And there's the star in the middle of an apple if you cut it halfway across, and the prosperity and abundance that comes with apple energy. I love it and love to really focus on that when I am enjoying an apple, and of course charging up my body at the same time. So let me know yours in the comments. All right, y'all, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video, and until next time, stay magic, Enchanted Sisters.